Hello students, I am Dr. PC Cambodia, Associate Professor in the Department of English, BSR, Government Arts College, Alwar, Rajasthan. This video is for the students of BA Part 2nd English Literature Paper 2nd. In this video, we discuss the first chapter, section 3rd of the novel Inside the Haveli, written by Rama Mehta. In the very beginning of this chapter, we are told that 5 more years have spent ever since Gita got married, and the Haveli wants repair. Designs of the Haveli in between are broken. On the grand occasion of Diwali every year, special amount was released by the Maharanas of Udaipur for whitewashing and for extra repair. But now no whitewashing is there and no regular repair of the Haveli is there. Most part of the Haveli is closed. Servants have also been reduced, and new servants have not been placed in place of the old one who have retired from the Haveli. And then we know that Gita is being given extra freedom. She can come in front of her father-in-law Bhagwat Singh Ji. She can sit over there and she can also talk. Bhagwat Singh Ji is informed that Sita is being taken care of by the young mistress of the Haveli, Gita. Gita has also started new classes in the Haveli of embroidery and tailoring. Bhagwat Singh Ji sanctions 2 sewing machines to Gita, and this amount is paid by Bhagwat Singh Ji out of his own pocket. So Gita is being given every support by her father-in-law Bhagwat Singh Ji. More and more ladies start coming to her classes in order to learn stitching, tailoring, embroidery. And then Gita is informed that so many maid servants have been compelled to discontinue these classes because they have to work in the Havelis when the teaching classes are going on. But those maid servants have sent their daughters in order to make use of these classes. Then one day, one of the relatives of this Haveli, Manji Baisa, comes to the Haveli, and then she is welcomed by the mistress of the Haveli, Kavarnisa, and then she tells that Gita's effort of teaching in these classes is helping these maid servants and their daughters. One of the maid servants, after getting enough of learning and education, could become an ayah in a school, and she is earning more than ₹100 a month. And there was one more maid servant who was one-eyed, and one day she delivered her a lecture on the importance of education. This way, she praises the efforts of Gita of running a school in the Haveli and also the other teaching classes. Then Bhagwat Singh Ji is overjoyed in order to learn what a service the young mistress of the Haveli or wife to his son is doing. Then suddenly there is a news that a monkey man has come to the street, and that monkey man has a little monkey, and monkey man is interested to perform a show in any of the haveli for some amount of money. So it is decided that the monkey man should be called in the Haveli Jivan Nivas, and then the monkey man should perform a monkey show over there. Then the maid servants of the Haveli, they call that monkey man, and other maid servants of the other Havelis also come. There is a large crowd in form of a big circle. Small children also run from the other Havelis in order to see the monkey show, and when they run, they strike into the tummy of the cook of the Haveli, Khyali, who was lost while walking in his personal thought. All of those children, they take their position. So many of them stand in that circle, and so many of them sit down. The monkey man performs the show, and monkey plays various tricks. The monkey jumps in air, and several other tricks are also performed. Then the crowd disappears. They go to their havelis, and the monkey man demands some money. That money is being given by the mistress of the haveli. Then there is a news that there are two proposals for the young girl Sita. Then those two proposals are received in the servants' quarters by the servant Gangaramji, because Sita is the daughter of Gangaramji. Gangaramji calls personal servant Gokul over there, and Khyali also goes over there. The maid servants also go over there. Out of these two proposals, one proposal is not found suitable, because the boy who was proposed by their parents for Sita was uneducated, and he didn't belong to a respectable family. Then the second proposal was the son of the headman of a village. His father was a man of prestige in his village. He had 5 acres of land, and then 2 bullocks with 1 house made of bricks. Then the meeting disappears. Khyaliji comes from there, and the personal servant of Bhagwat Singh Ji, Gokul, also comes, and they meet Kavarnisa. Kavarnisa asks them about the proposal for Sita. Then Khyali tells the mistress of the Haveli that one proposal was found suitable, and they are there. They could talk in front of ladies. Then the class of the maid servants of the Haveli, they come to Kavarnisa, and they tell that they have agreed for Sita. And then the maid servants also inform the mistress of the Haveli that generally the mother and father of a boy do not come in order to propose to the girl's house, but in this case Sita is a suitable match, so they have come and they should be attended. The maid servants tell the mistress of the Haveli that they have only one condition to be fulfilled, and that is Sita should discontinue going to school. They are not demanding much dowry also, and Sita is not that much beautiful, so they should not slip this opportunity out of